Hi, so the serious game that I've decided to play today is called Divide It Up Puppies, which is targeted at years 4 to 5 in maths, specifically division and fractions. So the purpose of this serious game is to teach students division and fractions in a fun and engaging way. So we'll go through one round right now. So the aim of the game is to divide up the biscuits to the different puppies, which is shown at the bottom here. So 17 going into 3 puppies would then equal 5 each. Then they will ask you, as shown in the instructions over here, to put whatever number you put in there into what the puppies get, which will then divide it out to each of them. So then there will be 2 whole ones left over, which you'll put up here. Then as an extra, they also ask if they can be cut up and shared among the puppies, as they can't be whole, which yes they can, and they show the equation up here. So then you would cut them up and put 2 to each puppy. As then a summary, you have to put the numbers back into here, so they get 5 each, with then 2/3 each, and then select that, which will then show the overall equation, and then you could try a new one. So students can go through multiple rounds of this to gain more practice and confidence in division. And the skills students can learn from this game is more knowledge on division, fractions, and even sharing. This is a suitable way to teach these skills as it is an interactive activity involving puppies, which can be changed to be more exciting for the students, as shown down here, or for example the biscuits in this specific question. So this serious game is effective in teaching this knowledge as it continually gives more examples so the students who are struggling can keep practicing to get a better understanding. It is also colourful and neatly laid out, which appeals to young students gaining their concentration.